Hope you're having a solid morning. Fresh Brief is out. Let's see what the tape is doing today. It's a quiet one on the calendar, but there's real texture underneath worth walking through. Let's check in on crypto, because this is where the story is. Bitcoin's trading around 64,250, down a little over 2% on the day, and Ethereum's softer at 1740, off about 2% as well. Solana's the laggard, near 71.5, down close to 3. Here's the part to sit with. Fear and greed prints at 15, deep in extreme fear. And we've now spent 17 days in that zone. That's the 8th percentile across 8 years of data. Historically, when we've been this scared, the index is a median 9 points higher 30 days out. Doesn't mean a bottom is in, but it means the crowd is leaning hard one way. Watch the 64,000 level on Bitcoin. Lose it, and the next liquidation pocket opens up quick. Let's see how stocks closed. The S&P sits at 740.93 cents, actually up about 1%, which is the disconnect of the day. Equities holding up while crypto bleeds. VIX is at 1844, calm but creeping. The megacap tape is mixed. Nvidia barely budged at 206 and change. The watch here is whether equity strength pulls crypto back up, or whether crypto's risk-off message eventually bleeds into stocks. Quick look at the dollar. DXY is at 123, firming back above the 100 handle after spending most of the last month below it. Euro dollar is at 1.1525, pound dollar at 1.33. A bid dollar plus weak crypto plus firm equities is a strange cocktail. Usually one of those gives. If DXY keeps grinding higher, that's a headwind for risk broadly. On the headlines front, the big one is Kevin Warsh kicking off his Fed chair era yesterday by holding rates steady but flagging a hike later this year and launching task forces to review Fed operations. That's a hawkish framing the market is still digesting. Add to that the US-Iran ceasefire signing, which Trump hinted he could still walk back, and Russia-Ukraine attacks continuing as Zelensky works the phones. Geopolitics simmering, no fresh shock, but the tape feels heavy. Looking ahead, the calendar is genuinely empty. Tomorrow is Juneteenth, US markets closed. No Tier 1 prints today or tomorrow, which means positioning, flows, and headlines drive everything. Quiet calendar plus extreme fear is the setup where surprise moves happen. That's it for today. Head over to Trada for the full real-time terminal, the liquidation map, and fear and greed widgets, plus an AI sparring partner watching the tape with you. Happy trading!